This upgraded oatmeal bowl is topped with crunchy seedy granola, maple roasted red grapes, and fresh green grapes from California for a pleasing burst of flavor, texture, and healthy goodness. This dish is packed with fiber, whole grains, and antioxidants. We'll start by making our maple roasted red grapes, which add sweetness, depth of flavor, and color to our dish. In a medium bowl, toss whole red grapes from California with maple syrup and a pinch of salt. Pour these onto a prepared sheet pan and roast in a 425-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the grapes are soft and some have popped open. Set these aside and make sure to save all the tasty juices. For the granola, use your favorite prepared one or make this delicious crunchy seedy granola topping. In a large bowl, mix together oats, coconut, your favorite nuts and seeds, wheat germ, and cinnamon. In another bowl, whisk together oil, honey, sugar, and salt, and now we'll stir this into our granola mixture. Spread the granola out on a prepared sheet pan and bake in a 325-degree oven for 25 to 35 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes until the granola is a beautiful golden brown. Immediately stir in the dried fruit and allow it to cool completely. Now we're ready to put our breakfast bowl together. Fill your bowl with hot oatmeal and top this with about a half a cup of granola, a scoop of roasted grapes, and then sprinkle with sliced green grapes for an extra little juicy crunch. Top the oatmeal with a drizzle of the delicious and colorful roasted grape juice. There you have it, oatmeal with granola, maple roasted red grapes, and fresh green grapes from California. Your guests will love this comforting, healthy, delicious, and beautiful breakfast bowl. This recipe and others can be found at ciaprochef.com/grapes.